Hi students, in this video discuss about relational algebra. First of all, introduction to relational algebra. Relational algebra is a formal language used to query and manipulate a relational database consisting set of operations like selection, projection, union, set operators, and Cartesian product and rename. It provides a mathematical framework for querying database, ensuring efficient data retrieval for manipulations. Relational algebra serves as the mathematical foundation for SQL. Relational algebra simplifies the process of qualifying database and make it is easier to understand and optimize the query execution for better performance. It is essential for learning SQL because SQL queries are based on the relational algebra operations, enabling the user to retrieve the data in effectively. Basic relational operators: Cartesian product, selection, union, set difference and rename, then projection. First one, selection. A selection operation is basically used to filter out the rows from a given table based on the certain given conditions. It is basically allowed to retrieve only the rows to match the conditions as per condition passed to the SQL query. Example, if we have a relations R with the attributes A, B, C, and we want to select the tuples where C less than or less than 3. So we can write the Q C less than or 3. We'll select the tuples and we have the more than projection pi symbol. The selection operations works on the rows. Similarly, the projection operation is relational algebra works on the columns. It is basically allows the pick up the columns from a given relational table based on the conditions and ignoring the remaining columns. For example, suppose we want to column B and C from the relational. So pi p comma c and are in the given following columns. Union U symbol is used. The union operator is basically used to combine the results of two queries in the single result. The only condition that both queries must return same number of columns with the same data type. The union operation, relational algebra, is the same as union operations of set theory. Example, consider the following table of students having different optional subject in their course. In French and German, the relations represent the student names in this subject. We can combine the names as follows. By student name, then French, then U. Set difference minus sign. Set difference basically provide the rows that can present on the table but not another table. Set difference in the relational algebra is the same set of the difference operations in set theory. Example, to find the students enroll only French but not German. So we can write the by student name French minus. Rename. Rename operators basically allows you to give a temporary name to specific relational table or to the column. It is very useful. We want to avoid the ambiguity, especially in the complex queries. Rename is the unary operation used the renaming attributes of a relational. For example, we can rename the attribute B in the relation R to D. So, P D to B, R will resume the B is the relation by the D.